Hi again. This video is about what to expect from our course.
Yeah, so guys, first things first is, you're going to want to know obviously how to start, where to start as well. So it's very important that we're going to be teaching you exactly how to set up your eBay accounts and the settings. Same goes with easync. There's a very specific settings, and you're actually going to be using the exact same settings that we use ourselves. And then obviously how to combine them all, connect them all, and also with Amazon as well.
Yeah, and then straight after we've done that, we'll also be teaching how our own sales tactics. These are the ones we use on eBay, and this is a culmination of months and months of research. I mean, really put the work in.
We went all in with it, and these are actually how we scaled from making hundreds to thousands. And we're going to be teaching you guys the exact same sales tactics, so you guys can get off to a better start than what we did.
Yeah, best start we can give you.
So the other thing as well we're going to be talking about is further down the line for you is going to be systemizing, how you can go from an in-depth role, which is important. You want to know every nut and bolt of your business. And that's going to be obviously you guys to start with. But once you build it to a level, and it's now to bring yourself back out of that business and take an overlooking role. So, and how we do this is we use VAs.
Yeah.
They are a lifesaver.
They really are. What we'd like to do is this is what we did for ourselves as well. We created this business. We realized we started trading time for money still because we were doing a lot of customer service. And then when we brought in VAs, we realized that anything that we can do, we can just teach someone else. And also, remember, when you teach someone and they want to work for you, actually what happens, they become the expert. And we're getting told by our VAs where we're going wrong sometimes.
Yeah.
So it's an amazing thing. And we can show you how it's going to be affordable, and it creates a business that becomes more passive.
It's unbelievably affordable. And not only that, but we left it probably too late. So we're going to be guiding you guys as to when exactly get VAs. And also, this is another beautiful thing. It's going to hopefully encourage you guys to team up with one another.
Yeah.
Because why have a virtual assistant who can look after your account, and that's going to take a couple of hours a day?
Yeah.
Why not have two of you, a VA looking after two, or maybe even three people's accounts? Because this way, you've got a VA who's always going to be on the job and learning. That's more important.
And also, I mean, to move on going on with the VA, if whenever you need help or the VA needs help, we're not just going to offer all this help in the course. We're actually going to have ongoing support. So we've got a Facebook group that's already in place. It's a closed one, so it's an invite only. We'll tell you how to get in there. And then in that group, you'll ask any question, any technical or sales type question, whether that's for eBay, Amazon, or eSync. We'll be there to help you. There'll be other people in there as well because it's a community, so we'll be helping each other. So that ongoing support is there. We'll have your back, and it's invaluable. This is. We've got it in place already, and the guys are already using it. They're really, really benefiting it, and we benefit from it as well because it's stuff that we find out from them.
Yeah, and it's great as well because they've also agreed to help us contribute and give back to you guys as well. So, there's about 15 of us there who are all active, all ready to go. And
that's set to grow as well. So, welcome to the group is what we're going to say. Welcome.
Yeah, and we look forward to having you.